Incremental greetings. So let's continue the SuperMemo course, Pleasurable Expansion. And now it's time to learn what is this window, the element window. Should I say the most important window in SuperMemo? Because in SuperMemo, you have multiple windows. The user interface, it's a mess.
Option bar, let's call it like that. So you go on Window, Themes.
What happens that he doesn't properly explain that? So in my case, it's this. Let me go to my root element. Okay, it looks like that. That's the element window, and most of the shortcuts are binded to this window. Remember, because I'm using the professional level, I have everything. All of the menus here, all of the options, and all of the toolbar. We will see this in other videos, but this is just to know that the element window is when the element is being rendered, seen. And it's the only window that needs to be open. So I could get rid of the knowledge tree or contents window and only has this one single window, the element window, the only one that is required. Remember that. Most of the time you will invest using SuperMemo, it will be in this window. That's all for now. See you in the next video.